Hey, how's it going, guys? Today I'm checking out the Vivimage A10 Android tablet that's available for $105 on Amazon. Now I want to thank the company for sending this out. The most notable thing that I noticed was that it says that it's certified, GMS certified Android OS up here. So if it is, I'm hoping it'll have a higher security version like L1 or L2. But it only has a HD screen, 1280 by 800, so it's a little limiting, and it's only 2 gigs of RAM, 32 gigs of internal storage. That's what I've also seen on some other tablets that are going for the $100 price range. They don't have that full HD display anymore. Inside the box, it says you got lifetime warranty here. Whoa, that's a pretty bold claim. But honestly, this might not be what it really is, because this brand, who knows if this brand will be around for such a long time. Tablet itself, underneath that, what is this? Quick start. A USB-C cable, a wall outlet, a little SIM pin, or maybe it's for the micro SD card slot. This tablet has this soft back finish, kind of feels like rubber. It feels like it's a little thicker than some other laptops tablets that I've tried, and it's got a 6,000 milliamp hour battery, which they say can last up to 6 hours. That seems a little more believable, but of course we'll see how long it can really last. So starting off from the side, you've got most of your ports here with the 3.5mm headphone jack, and this is where the SIM tray is. SIM tray and micro SD card slots are. Power button, volume keys, I believe this is a reset button, and then a USB Type-C. On the bottom, looks like there's nothing, except for there's 2 speaker grills. We'll see if it emits from both sides. By the way, this whole thing is made of plastic all around. There's nothing else on the side here. Nothing on top except for the camera on the back, flash, and in the front there's a camera right there. It's not straight up. When you take out this cover film, there is a screen protector that it comes with pre-installed. The screen is not as bad as I anticipated it to be. I mean, it's not too pixelated or anything. It looks like it gets bright, but not enough to use outside in sunlight, just like many other tablets, many other cheap devices. And the screen is definitely not laminated. You can tell there's like gaps in between. And I feel like there's a little bit of screen bleed on top here. You won't be able to tell on video though. It's just a little bit when I kind of just look at it from the side. But it is an IPS display, so you won't have problems with viewing angles. And out of the box, there's a little over 26.5 gigs free, and that's before updating all the apps. And it is running Android 10. The front camera, like many other tablets around this price point, it's able to pick up the words that's on my camera lens, so Canon zoom. By the way, well, it's not that good, but I was going to mention that you can, this really isn't viewable outside in sunlight because it gets bright. I guess it's okay, but it's not enough to use outside outdoors. Another thing is just navigating around feels a little slow. I'm not sure why. Maybe doesn't have a 60 Hz refresh rate, so it just may not be smooth because of that, but obviously I guess we'll see how performance is with games and everything in a moment. Buffett's face. I don't know why that was happening. I guess I clicked on something, but the speakers get pretty loud on the bottom. What's interesting is that this goes all the way up to 1080p, so I mean you can't really, it's kind of upscaled because having a wideband security of L3 means you're not going to be able to watch videos in streaming services like Netflix. You're not going to be able to watch them in HD or full HD, so it'll probably be capped at like 480p. Another thing that's kind of unfortunate is that when I try to run the Geekbench score, to try to get a score when I run the benchmark, it tends to just crash, so I'm not really going to waste my time on this. I'll just see how performance is based on games here. And like I mentioned before, it does feel a little slow here and there just navigating around. I tried Edge. Maybe Edge is not the best browser to use, I'm not sure, because I do tend to try light browsers on here because that's really what you do have to use when you don't really have too much RAM. I don't know why I'm looking up Rolexes here, but yeah, I'm not sure if you can tell, but yeah, it's just a little slow. There's going to be a bit of a more delay when doing everything. First game here is Fruit Ninja. I gotta tell you, even this isn't running smoothly. And that's not a good sign at all. Because when you try to cut combos, there might be a delay and that might affect your game performance. Next thing I'm trying out here is Roblox. And overall it seems like it's pretty slow, not really playable. And same with the menu. When I was on the menu, it was just so slow. I was thinking it's not even worth wasting my time on here. And it's really not. This is not a good tablet by any means. I mean, I do want to thank the company for sending this out, but by no means is this a good tablet. You're probably better off checking out the ONN tablets at Walmart, or follow me for more tablets I'm gonna try to review in the near future. So be sure to subscribe for that, and leave a like if you found this video helpful, and subscribe if you want to see more. And as always, thanks for watching.